Hi, this is your Klotz tutorial team. Today we would like to present you our CAT-Link multicore system.
What is CAT-Link?
CAT-Link is a 4-channel multicore system which uses a shielded network cable for transmission.
What kind of signals can be transmitted?
Microphone signals with phantom power, balanced line audio or digital standards like AES, EBU and DMX are possible.
Which systems and connections are available?
There are XLR 3-pin and 5-pin or balanced jack on the CAT-Link mini modules.
The CAT-Link truss stage boxes have 4 XLR 3-pin or 5-pin connectors connected in parallel and can therefore be used as a bi-directional 4-channel stage box, either as a mobile floor stage box or also as a truss box.
With the CAT-Link Rack series, all these connection options are in 19-inch format. Optionally with 1 or 2 CAT-Link 4-channel modules. The Ethercon pass-through sockets allow an easy and fast cascade of the modules. In addition, the CAT-Link rack can also be wired via the parallel D-sub connector on the rear panel, or the required connector format can be changed anytime. This guarantees maximum flexibility. The CAT-Link rack stage boxes are available in a wide range of variants.
For which transmission lengths is this system suitable?
4 analog or digital signals can typically be transmitted over a distance of up to 100 meters without losses.
Thanks for watching. Find full information on our web.